Kind of nice this winter. Let's take a nice secluded walk along the beach. Turtle Bay, Hawaii. Look at that water. Can't tell from here, but it's blue, green, green. Let's go for a nice serene little walk along the beach. She said there'll be more turtles that way because of the marina. Yesterday we came here and there was turtles everywhere. But we didn't get stopped because it was packed. Saw a sand flea. It's probably what all those holes are. Right now all the tourists are still sleeping. Just me and Grandma. Look at these people, they live. Oh, the beautiful, beautiful. There's Grandma on the beach in Hawaii. Look at that. Stay right there.